enye ekwana ofa so say problem no obema na exist because you say all resist sexual tension. Enti sa woye ne sesiye ya ebekọ ewie besa aba na nwuma besa aba ana na awatwe besa aba boso besa aba nemo ohia kwana befa so a obetimi dia solve problem no enipa bebre hu masturbation say enya problem nemo prophecy scientific herbal and noble Dr. Elijah Dan say masturbation ya problem a very big problem. Enti sa wo masturbate ya the person de show tin na de show adwum say a serious demonic, a very serious demonic. Ebra wo masturbate for we show tin for we show adwum for we to okrem say masturbation aye yalewa sonko ana wo house sonko ana mane sonko a onipa de no wura ma open doors nipa ho akwa apono nson kopem edu a ewo nipa the 7 up to 10 doors of human being. Masturbation the moment I do open that doors no ema on boni nya kwan ewura wa brabo ha brabo ne asetena no. One masturbate ya all receive something called the mark of destruction. I shall so there say I shall so there. To the moment I will see that the mark of the destruction no obenya the spirit of Shimodi, Abaddon, the Leviathan, the spirit of black witch and red witch. Benya akwanya am ye dwuma was system and only pedra na was shebe na wabrabo ma ha wasetan wa blabo. Benya marine spirit, a bla masturbate. Obenya the Servian spirit, ahonhoma yedma dale from Satan and nipa and any abeye yedma dale from nipa to Satan. They operate you in your life. Aha wasetana and wabra nothing a prophecy scientific herbal clinic. Ye catch us some money now. You say wa hu tiri more dinner yedma tia shebre any abrabo. But me don't foot me. Masturbation, the effect of masturbation on your body. So be masturbate. And no any kind of three type of masturbation. So be masturbation be do the primary masturbation now. No be do secondary masturbation and secondary masturbation wa ba be addicted in masturbation. Into a person jai onto me nyai. Say eba say we be do that secondary masturbation no said no. I didn't all any your how a yamane into a person jai no to me nyai no. Ehon na asem no, ehon na amane no. Enti masturbation will kill you. You don't fool me. Masturbation, it will kill you. O chichon ho na de hyehyɛ wase no ebekun. Kwan be so na masturbation be fa so a ebekun. Yes, masturbation obi busa say a harmful na yes, 100% harmful. It's more than deadly acid beer and a deadly weapon beer and a deadly drugs beer. Is very powerful and dangerous than any weapon beer la. It may destroy human being and it may come human being. Me no futi me. Masturbation can kill you or it will kill you. What chichon what the other so asana ebetumi akun na ebekun so. So nipa bia masturbate ya awo nipa no bla all masturbate niema miense bi si nipa obrabom. 1, masturbation will kill you physically. 2, it kill you mentally. 3, it will kill you spiritually. Masturbation will kill you physically, mentally, spiritually. Masturbation bekun enti nipa bia wo wiase bia no ukura saa niema miensen. Ukura nipadua, that is the physical. Ukura mentally, that is wahunim. Ukura spirit, that is uso. Me don't fool me. Masturbation will kill these 3 important things. Make you a human being. And I'm all you nipa. And I'm all your tiasefo. And I'm you who body say Yamansa Gloria, Francesca, Francis, the boarding, the boarding Fabia. No, masturbation will kill you. It will run you. I wouldn't even say masturbation. I run your life or destiny. Masturbation will kill you physically. Yalebia would do masturbation between the abroad. Yalebia. Many be a nyabi. Masturbation between the Yalebia to just assess your life. wo sha se so masturbate odu hu masturbation mu wo ha ne nsunsanfo be na ekoso ewo nipadua mu ewo wa adwene mu ekose ekoye anase enkoye echese masturbation will kill you. Therefore eba mentally masturbation ekuma adwene arefie mental health disorder masturbation de bebro wa adwene nsisi so oyire fifi ade ntentem ade da ho kwa na ayire fi o ka asem na ayire fi masturbation ma ayire fi niema wo ye de wankasa wo ye de siwo ni so obeye e ma wa adwene ekofom adwene no we student wo sua de na wa biafo bo so wo bon oba be ma baba no na nko abiafo oba ne ba na e ba fom what answer do you want to say just push your daughter or your son bo so oba no or masturbate me pacho o loss focus masturbation ma loss focus adrenaline to mean focus so adia sese adrenaline no eye ananipadua ne enti o miss focus what tension will be so eyira o to mean complete adia esi woni so se wo ye then the mistakes come to your life through masturbation. What mean for your task? Yet did you mediate shown so we really on everything mentally no who be mentally toughness masturbation it bring you mentally toughness until a catch or say masturbation will kill you brother sister masturbation will kill you it's a fashion trimusa our acetana and ablabonum without for masturbation it kill you spiritually. It kill you spiritually. Masturbation will kill you spiritually. And so nipa bi masturbate ya. Shannon so say it break you no nyankopon ayonkofa. It breaks you. The relationship between you and God it break through masturbation. The spiritual connection between you and God it breaks. Ayonkofa dan nyankopon te masturbation say no. Akwanya dan nyankopon te masturbation say no. Ani ji a wo nyankopon masturbation say no. Enti wana nka wa ho fama wo anwokeka wo anigye wo nyamsom nyame som asolifie anwokeka wo so masturbation will kill it. Enti asew no nyankopon ayonkofa masturbation afonu nyankopon ayonkofa no wo se ayonkofa no emuate enti masturbation be motimatna so den masturbation be to amuate nyankopon ofieso na nyankopon na osusu nim nyankopon enti betuma ye difo betuma ye sofo betuma sempa kan betuna nyankopon ayonkofa na breki nemo aso betuma shanko betuma ye nsankyere ne nemo na nye nyame honhom ena do ye sansankyere ne no na ye honhom foforo bi ena ye sansankyere ne no awo ablabo ene wasetene mu eno te me ka kyerɛ na madesua so ka kyerɛ so o masturbate a moni ma ho so nemo prophecy scientific e back no ka kyerɛ so o hia prophecy sima powder ebra wo masturbate so nya prophecy sima powder ya masturbation na ede nom ya beto so na break no nyankopon ayonkofa na be say sunsun bi awalo sunsun bi no da ehu to so oye bibi enye ska bi to nsema na ahye wo hua de akura wo nhunu wontumi nkonkan wo ablabo ne asetrem wo hia sima powder sa ha be fro wo de hye bi to nsem tenta wi mo tenta drugs mo tenta wo hia prophecy sima powder sa ha be fro wo do awale mfie so be makran so ope wo do awale mfie so so oba pekwa wo mfie wo hia prophecy sima powder sa ha no be de ebe fro me do fiti adwuma wo miyemu what ya wale so ko mfanya hwe yire mfanya hwe wo hia prophecy sima powder relationship bia ba na agegu be ma shobo all right on yen kit mo yen hyehyɛ sɛ mo ba be wale mo se na wale na agegu de bia be ma postpone wa na asɛ proposal aba be mu be bia nkɔhwe wo hia prophecy sima powder sa prophecy sima powder onyankopɔn be fa so asesa hyɛbram ambone how ambone tata different voices and na wote no asom na wote no adwumu wote school demo wote fie wote wo demo ehu atena so hu hyaw so bibi kasa so kokon kwasho ho akomfo ne nyina the work of the devil wo hia sima powder sa ha be fro ska bi ato asema na ase yeso ye bagina ento ye bibi enye ye prophecy for se nya no kore benya prophecy sima powder sa ha no be firi mu na de no nyam hye ama awurade nyankopon prophecy scientific herbal clinic de prophecy sima powder ba we hu prophecy scientific herbal clinic awo amasaman enkan amasaman yani MP officer wa amasaman no e constituency office no and we the same building omo wo soro and e wo mfimfin ni nyina e aduma free dwara kopem da salona be hu prophecy another branch o Kumasi Boshan Report Girls School yani fitafo na wo main road no and e ye nhwani mu ye aduma free dwara akopem da numbers e Kumasi numbers a wo fra wo benya yini e 0245 78 67 47 0245 78 67 47 anase sa 0245 we set me ma chat also WhatsApp ofra me doctors and me nurses and obekasa no was o chat dia wona mia na be chat no was call anya me on me doctors and me nurses na bekasa 0245 786747 Salana Accra line and so some lines nini ay 0592 952211 0592 952211 anase 0592 952227 0592 952227 we share enkan amasaman number no baby awo Ghana baby ano between the drone ascend na wiase baby a between the drone ascend amna de amna yi me patro adwuma na wote yemu yemfanya hwe wo adwuma mu for nature prophecy scientific herbal can be nyesima para na urade mfeso mo mema rubber hihye mo baemem obi amra prophecy scientific herbal can ada say enkan anakumase sa rubber na hihye mo baemem nya be firi ho mo be yi afiri on tam sokora ebe firi on tam sokora na hye nyankopon ne die ne monyam rubber hihye shambemem urade faso eye prostate enlargement na prostatitis na cancer robert ma feso abo no ade ho mo am won kase mu yale ni ntini mu yale wontum le kamla amasaman anase Kumasi Boshan Report enka amasaman ana Kumasi Boshan Report urade feso abo am no obi enyan fa ho de mo am won na mu yale a masturbation spiritual knowledge ama mo me ma fon ayen keten na even class ewunya adwuma onfo ani kire prophecy ye herbal clinic ne baabia onyankopon be fie so amani da so aba wodo obe ma na wukura akojo to nyeska duro ana de akoja ye mo ni da so anase wo de no me patro tie me e ya sera no wanya ana ntini bi ata na ska duro na de kwaja ende yentumi nya ho hwe ne mo enye saade a tuminika be gina na so chire be no obo adwuma no bi on se ampa obo adwuma ye mo ya le de no ntese prophecy for ya le bi wo de adwene mo yale the whole West Africa prophecy scientific and the best herbal spiritual clinic 2018 2019 2020 prophecy scientific herbal clinic the best herbal clinic of the year me therefore then you how na man for the prophecy scientific herbal clinic or how be a down so no soon fa no honam fam olade be fia so abo shalom peace be with you. No be share next week. No, you be share na boy china next week. E china me no you be share. Share Prophecy TV. Share Prophecy TV. Like it. Next share. Yede bibia to mu na o like na wo share. Ubenya notification no. E bla program be to mu na tumi abo. Na share TV no live. Na recommend ma wonu na onamfo. Let's na amfo beberebre nipa beberebre masturbation spiritual man gays and lesbians onum sa no na e ha no be e pra no onyankopon tuma fa de hie bele nipa be wo sa ha no amna firi mo na hye nyankopon ane njen YouTube obenyan Facebook obenyan Prophecy TV ane ye ndi ahia ebre ane bra. I love you. God bless you. Let's have bro 15 minutes. 14. Oza.
Enyuan modofo. Bi am gina he. enye se na na metie na odofo bi ene di sima pada ho adanse e de ma me na me cho na mo ame ko prophecy ho ame saka sima pada enne asesama brabo sesi me da no bi ni mabeda promise nfe me ko jade obi wo kwa me sanka esu enne enam sima pada sunti enne abrochefo na ndio ensa woso esense bipe bibi kwafu obo na me sanka esu enne bibi ma no apena me sanka enam sima pada so etimi nia kono ko sohye enya gudie bi ni edi biso wo kwa me ebi kwa na dia wo susuo no awda ebe boso ni nia no entade ese bi nyina eya dofo bi na ma me sanka etu so kwa na ko sohye se wo kwa ya wo hu no hwe kwa na ko sohye